Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for gold, Dow Jones and Nasdaq 100. First we'll look into gold followed with Nasdaq 100 and in the end it is going to be Dow Jones. Do listen to it carefully with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. We'll try to find out the trading levels for the day, the entries, the exits and the trade profits as well. Do listen to it carefully. As shared in the morning, gold is trading at 1855 critical resistance zone and it failed to trade below 1845 levels, failed to trade below that zone. And similarly, Dow Jones, Nasdaq both trading bullish. Now let's start the day with gold first. Now look at the hourly charts for gold. You can see the candle size is diminishing in height here. So probably see the bulls are not trying to take control. Here it is lower highs it is trying to give, and probably the next candle may try to retrace it back on the downside. So yes, if you see it trading below 1847 there, you can go short, but there is a rather not 1847, here it is 1853 level. So if you see it trading below 1853, you can go short for 1850 and then 1847 levels. So below 1853 there is a good entry to go short on gold there, it appears. And yes, directional movement is bullish, it is trying to converge. The stochastic is overbought, the MACD is wide divergent and bullish, the RSI is also near to top there now. Similarly on the 2-hour charts, it is trying to give you lower highs are already done, hence if it tries to retrace, it may come back till here, first support at 1852 and then below that we may see it dropping sharply. How far this could go? Here it is the support at 1847 levels. So below 1852 levels we can see a good drop till towards 1847, and below that we may see it dropping more. The directional movement is bullish, it is trying to converge. The stochastic is overbought, the MACD is also wide divergent and bullish, it is trying to converge, or it may try to converge from here, expecting it to give more red candles. RSI is trading in a comfortable zone there. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts there is a probability that, see the body size first, diminishing in height, and hence yes, there is a probability that it can give you a smaller body. But see, almost just 4 points here, $4 move, and I think it is this candle may not try to, rather it can try to pull back on the downside, and there is going to be support here at 1850 and 1847 zone. If it breaks, then 1845, below 1845 there is definite bearishness today, we can see a sharper drop. So go short at 1852 for 1847, and then below that we may see a good drop till towards 1845. Below that there is going to be sharper drop. Directional movement is bullish, the stochastic is near to overbought levels, the MACD is wide divergent and it is still bullish, the RSI is near to top there. Similarly, if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, the candle has achieved lower highs, it is trying to reverse from here. See the candle size diminishing in height, indicating that bulls are not trying to take the control here and the bullishness is reduced. So probably it may try to retrace back a bit, and 1852, 1850 and 1847 levels can be achieved. Below that it can try to hit 1845. Below that we may see a sharper drop. So yes, probability exists that if it breaks below 1852, we may see a little drop till towards 1847 levels, and in fact it can go till towards 1845. Directional movement is bullish, the stochastic is overbought, the MACD has just crossed over it and 3 candles apart only, and it is wide and divergent and it's still bullish. RSI is still looking upwards. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see this is the lower low that is tried to do, and now this is trying to give you a breakout. However, look at this, there is a resistance here at 1858 levels and 1860 zone. If it breaks 1860, there is going to be a sharper rise. So I'll be not trading, rather in between 1852 and 1860 levels. In between this I'll be rather conscious. On the downside there is a strong support at 1845. Breaking this, yes, you can expect it to drop till towards 1840, and below that we can see it going sharply, we can see it dropping sharply on the downside. So do not go long till 1860, that is for sure. Beyond 1860 there is going to be sharper rise. The directional movement is bearish, it is trying to converge, and the stochastic is looking upwards, indicating bullishness. The MACD is parallel and the RSI is sloping upwards. Considering this, I'll recommend you to go long at 1860 levels only, and one can go short. If you go long at 1860, the target is 1865, 1871, and beyond that sky is the limit. It can try to break till towards 1880 levels. On the downside, if it breaks below 1852, see it has got stronger supports on the downside. at 1850, 1847 and 1845. These three levels, if it breaks, then only, see, at any point of time it can reverse. Like from 1850 it can again bounce back, from 1847 it can give you a bounce back, from 1845 also it can give you a bounce back. But once it draws below 1845, we can expect a sharper drop till towards 1840, 1836 and 1830 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Do always trade with stop loss. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq 100 has given a greener candles. Always bears try to pull it back. Only the previous candle tried to show a breakout. Look at the height or the bottom of these candles. It is trying to give you flatter trajectory. Now there is a definite support at 12600. There is a little resistance at 12650. So yes, if it breaks past 12650, one can again expect it to hit 12700, 12680, 700 zone, and breaking this we can expect a sharper rise. Else in between 12600 and 12650, I will not recommend you to trade. Below 12600 there is again a strong resistance at 12550, and below that we will be looking forward to sharper drop till towards 12500. Remember, 12500 has always been a stronger support for Nasdaq 100. Directional movement is bullish. The stochastic is overbought here. The MACD is wide divergent and it is trying to converge from here, or it may try to converge from here. The RSI is now looking downwards. That is why we are looking forward to a red candle there. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts you can see here, see, this is the consistent channel. This is the channel in which it is trading. On the upside, the high is at around 12700, the support here at 12600. Breaking 12600, one can expect that it is going to drop till towards 12550, 12500, and below that we can see a sharper drop. The resistance there at 12650, 12670 is going to be strong. Beyond that we can see 12700, 12750, and beyond that we can see a sharper rise. Now directional movement is still in green. The stochastic is overbought and it is looking downwards. We can see a red candle, and that is what we are witnessing. However, the MACD has just crossed over, and this is the first candle post crossover, indicating that it can reverse from here. The RSI is also looking downwards from here. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts you will find that, see, this is the megaphone pattern here, and possibly from here it can try to drop a bit on the downside. 12600 definitely should provide a support. Below that, yes, here is the next support, 12570, 12550 zone. Rather, I will say 12550 is a very strong support for Nasdaq 100 today, and 12500. So these two levels are definitely going to be a stronger resistance for Nasdaq 100 for further rise today. And on the upside, 12650 is something which I will be looking forward to. If it breaks past this, then yes, it can show more bullishness there. The directional movement is bullish here. The stochastic is near to overbought. The MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a buy. The RSI is near trading flat there. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts too, see 3 green candles and kind of a channel it is creating. The support there at 12600 is very strong. Breaking this, one can expect 12550, 12500, and below that we can expect it to drop till towards 12450 levels. So yes, go short at 12600, that is the mandate, and go long above 12670, that is the mandate there. Now look at the directional movement here. It is still bullish, but it can try to converge. The stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is trying to converge. That is interesting on 4-hour charts. RSI is also sloping downwards. Now if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, the support is here at 12500. Breaking this for the day, we can see a sharper drop till towards 12400. Also, the resistance there at 12820 is very strong. So yes, if you try to initiate a long entry beyond 12650 to 12670 levels, yes, you can expect 12700, 750 and 800 levels again. Breaking this, sky is the limit on the upside. And if you look at the directional movement is still bearish. The stochastic is looking downwards, and MACD is in green, trying to converge from here. So in sum, one can remain short below 12600. Below 12600, one can expect that it may try to show you a stronger break till towards 12550, 12500, and below that we can expect it to drop till towards 12400 levels and below levels also. On the upside, if it breaks past 12670, yes, you can go long for 12700. Nearest resistance, then 12750, 12820 levels will come into picture. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at US30 on the hourly chart. Trading in this channel, the support here On the hourly chart is going to be strong here at 32,900, breaking 32,900. Yes, you can go short, and see on the upside if it breaks past 33,000, there only I will recommend you to go long. In between 32,900 and 33,000, do not trade. Now direction movement is bullish here. The stochastic is overbought here and may try to look forward to a drop. The MACD is wide divergent and it is still bullish. It can try to converge from here as the peak is done. The RSI is slightly sloping downwards. Similarly, if you look at the 2-hour charts, similar is the story on the 2-hour charts as well. It is shown this, it is traded in this channel. The support here at 32,900 going to be strong. Below that only one can expect that it is going to drop till towards 32,800 levels. At the same time, above 33,000, there is going to be a definite rise on the upside till towards 33,100, 33,200 levels. Directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is overbought here on the 2-hour charts as well. And if you look at the MACD has just crossed over the first red green candle and probably it can continue in green itself. The RSI trading flat here, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts similarly the story is almost same. It is trying to give you a reversal from here, and I will be watchful of 33,000 levels. Breaking 33,000, definitely it can break strongly. Breaking 32,900, we can expect it to come back till towards 32,820, 32,800 levels. Below that there could be a sharper fall on the downside. Stochastic is near to overbought. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover. The RSI is trading flat here. Similarly, if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, more or less the story is same. And also look at this on the larger time frame here. On the larger time frame, it is trying to give you lower highs and lower lows. So 33,050 is the level that I will be watchful of. If it beyond 33,000, yes, you can expect 33,050, and beyond that it can try to rise strongly. On the downside, we are looking forward to see, this is the retracement again, and this is what we have seen: greener candle, then sharper drop, greener candle, then sharper drop can be expected. I'll be looking forward to 32,600. If it continues to break below 32,800 levels, then and then only. Now look at the directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is trying to converge and the RSI is trading flat. Now look at the daily chart. So here on the daily charts, 32,750 levels are something which is going to provide a support, and 33,250 levels definitely are going to be the stronger resistance on the upside. It can try to create a triple top and then drop from there. There is a possibility which exists for it to trade in this fashion. At the same time, it is trying to rise from here, and any draw below 32,750 is definitely going to be a matter of concern, where it can try to drop more till towards 32,500 and below levels. So yes, one can initiate a short entry at 32,900 itself. Below 32,900 we can expect it to drop. The directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is trying to converge. RSI trading flat. Considering this, go short at 32,900, go long at 33,000. On the upside, there is going to be resistance at 33,050, 33,100, and then above that, we may see it trading till towards 33,200, 33,250, and beyond that, it is going to be sky high till towards 33,300. Beyond that, sky is the limit on the upside. I cannot talk more than this. On the downside, if it breaks past 32,900, go short. It is going to drop till towards 32,800. Then below that, we may see it dropping till towards 32,750. And if it breaks that, we are going to look forward to a sharper drop till towards 32,600 and 32,500 levels. Take your positions accordingly. This is all from my side. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis. The next update on Dow Jones, Nasdaq, Gold will be up just before the Asia cash session tomorrow. So press the bell icon, stay tuned with the latest analysis. Thank you very much.